Alt-R.
Hi, this is Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how to type out a scatter plot graph using Desmos Graphing Calculator. You open a browser, I highly suggest either Chrome or Edge, and you're going to type in desmos.com/calculator. That the slash is right hand pinky down. You start out in your edit box.
Desmos Graphing Calculator.
He's going to say a lot of stuff before he says edit, but you're going to shift tab and just listen so you can add the correct element, which is going to be a table.
Expression. Edit expression. Undo button. Add item button menu. Press space to activate the menu. Then navigate with
I'm going to hush them up. Add items. So I'm going to hit enter.
enter. Add item menu region. Add expression button to activate. Press space bar.
I'm going to tap to table
Add note button. Add table button to
and
activate. Press
enter.
space bar. Enter. Expression list region. 3 columns and 3 rows. Row 1 1 edit. Blank. Type in text.
So you can, however you want to do it, you can type in all your X first, and then you can type in all your Y. I'm a big believer in hitting one row at a time. So I teach students to type in X, then tab and type in Y. I'm going to refresh my screen because it will give me double tables if I paste this in. So I'm just going to hit F5, refresh my page, and you can select out your table and paste it in here. And that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to hit F5.
F5. Refreshing page. Loading. Enter. Desmos Graphing Calculator and 2 more pages. Personal my.
And I'm going to hush them up. And I'm just going to do a Control V because I've already selected and copied this before I started the recording.
Pasted. Selected. 10. Desmos Graphing Calculator. Microsoft Edge. Personal. 0. Type in text.
So I'm going to quickly tab through. And as I tab, you're going to hear X first and then Y. And of course, it moves it right back to the X column and then moves to the Y column. So just listen quickly.
Row 1 2 2.5 edit. Blank. Row 2 1 11 edit. Blank. Row 2 2 2.8 edit. Row 3 1 9 edit. Blank. Row 3 2 2.3 edit. Row 4 1 10 edit. Blank. Type in text. Row 4 2 2.6 edit. Row 5 1 13 edit. Blank.
And I will tell you, I highly suggest a display so you can actually see this on your display also with your fingers.
Row 5 2 3.3 edit. Blank. Row 6 1 5 edit. Blank. Row 6 2 1.3 edit. Row 7 1 8 edit. Blank. Row 7 2 2.2 edit. Blank. Row 8 1 4 edit. Blank. Row 8 2 1.1 edit. Blank. Type in text.
So it's a pretty significant table, but that's pretty typical. So now we need to go ahead and put the line of best fit. And of course, we always want that line closest to 1 as possible. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to tab one more time and then hit enter.
Row 9 1 enter. Expression 2 edit. Blank. Type in
Okay.
text.
And it says expression 2, so you can go ahead and write in your formula in order to get your line.
Y. 1. Subscript 1 baseline. Y subscript 1 baseline.
I'm going to hush them up. You are going to use your tilde. The tilde is directly to the left of your 1, and you're going to add a shift to that in order to get your tilde.
Y1 tilde tilde. Y
Okay.
subscript 1 baseline.
And then MX1.
MMXX 1 subscript 1 baseline. Y subscript 1 baseline tilde MX subscript 1 baseline
Okay.
as
M plus B.
MX1 plus B B. Y
Okay.
subscript 1 baseline tilde MX subscript 1 baseline plus B as graph and regression. To access statistics, press tab. To audio trace, press Alt T.
Okay. What's so great is it already tells you it's a line of regression. You can go ahead and do your Alt T and your H and do all your tracing and everything in order to listen to that. Most people have used Desmos, already know that, who are using a screen reader. But for this, because this is the difference in this recording, is I'm going to tab through so you can hear all your statistics and your parameters here. So just tab through.
Delete expression 2 button to act statistics region. R squared equals 0.994.
Okay, that is really close to 1, and that's what you want for your line.
R equals 0.997.
Okay, that's really great. So this is a really phenomenal scatter graph. I am using Edge, just so you know. Edge is my preferred for most math.
Residuals region. E subscript 1. Base parameters region. M equals 0.244488. B equals 0.123228.
Okay. Before, we used to have to type in a different formula and actually input those in order to get line of best fit. But that's technology and it's updated and it's pretty phenomenal. So anyway, that is how you do a scatter plot graph. And of course, put your line of best fit in there for your teacher. And then of course, Alt print screen, copy that, and then immediately paste it into your Word document and you are good to go. And you can hand it that in. Okay. And that's how you do a scatter plot graph.
You have started screen share. Press F6 to Alt Q. End meeting. End.